What if I tell you you can learn English in 30 days? Yes, 30 days. Not to sound like Shakespeare, but to speak confidently, naturally, as in your head. Most people fail because they learn grammar first. Smart learners focus on speaking first. Today, I'll give you a clear, practical 30-day roadmap. Let's start. Week 1. Build your foundation. Goal: speak simple sentences without hesitation. 1. Learn 20 basic sentence structures daily. Let's see the examples. I want to. I am going to. Can you help me? I don't understand. 2. Now do daily 15-minute shadowing. Pick any English video, repeat line by line, or listen song with lyrics and repeat. 3. Practice in real mini scenarios. Scenario 1. Introducing yourself. Hi, my name is Ria. I'm learning English. I love reading and cooking. Repeat this 10 times daily. Scenario 2. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you please tell me where gate 2 is? Week 2. Daily life conversations. Goal: speak comfortably in common situations. 1. Learn 30 essential phrases. Examples. What do you mean? Can you repeat that? I think. In my opinion. 2. Practice 3 real-life situations. Scenario 3. Ordering food. Hi, can I have a chicken sandwich and a cold coffee, please? Sure. Anything else? No, that's all. Scenario 4. Shopping. Do you have this in a medium size? Can I try this on? Scenario 5. Talking about your day. Today was good. I went to work, finished my tasks, and relaxed in the evening. Week 3. Fluency training. Goal: speak without stopping to think. 1. Speak for 2 minutes daily. Pick a topic. My favorite movie, my school life, my goals. No stopping, just flow. 2. Shadow conversations, not words. Copy tone, speed, 3. Real scenarios. Scenario 6. Phone conversation. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing much, just relaxing. I finished my work early today. Let's meet? Sure, what time works for you? Scenario 7. Making plans. Let's meet at 6 p.m. near the cafe. Shall we watch a movie? How about Saturday? Week 4. Confidence plus real conversations. Goal: speak naturally and confidently. 1. Start thinking in English. When you wake up, ask yourself, what should I do today? Say it in English. 2. 10-minute speaking workouts. Describe your room. Explain your work. Talk about your goals. Describe your favorite place. Daily 30-day practice framework. Checkmark: 10 minutes speaking. Checkmark: 10 minutes shadowing. Checkmark: 10 minutes vocabulary in context. Total equals 30 minutes per day.